Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy to potentially make $5,000 per day using your phone. You know me, I'm all about showing you actionable strategies, not just theory. But before we dive in, if you're new here, my name is Steven, and on this channel, Factfluence helps you understand complex financial concepts and empowers you to make smarter financial decisions. So, smash that subscribe button if you're new and hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. Also, share this video with anyone who might find this strategy valuable. Finally, don't fall for any spammers. If anyone asks you for your WhatsApp number, it's not from me. Let's get started. The strategy. I mentioned in my last video that I would show you a tactic to make money using affiliate marketing, without wasting time on your computer. Now, for those of you who are patient, you'll get something valuable out of this video. The website is called Seller, but here's the twist. It's not what they typically tell you about. If you've never heard of Seller before, you should definitely check them out. But here's what most people don't know. I created a unique income stream using Seller, and I want everyone on this channel to benefit from it. Here are the 5 steps you can follow. Step 1. Open a Seller account. Alright, so the first step is to open a Seller account. Follow me closely here. The website is seller.no.co. Now when you get to the website, you'll see a login option. Since you don't have an account yet, click on Create Account. Remember, if you follow these principles, you will make money eventually, whether it's next week or next month. Now fill out your information name, email address, password, and so on. Get your account set up. That's step 1, create your Seller account. Step 2, become a Factfluence affiliate. Now, only those in my free membership group get access to this exclusive affiliate marketing strategy. It's not open to everyone. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. But listen closely, if you've already joined the group, there's no need to join again. If you're new and want access, click the link below. Once you join, you'll receive an affiliate link from me. That's step number 2. So pause the video now and go join the free membership group, then come back. Step 3. Set up your bank account. Here's why Seller is not a scam. They actually pay you. We're not playing games here. If you follow these steps carefully, you will make money. So once you receive the email with your affiliate link, you'll also get instructions on how to set up your bank account on Seller. That way, they can send you your earnings. Step 4. Switch to affiliate profile. This step is important. You need to switch to the affiliate profile because the creator profile is for people who create courses. You don't need to create anything, you just want to sell courses and earn commission. Once you switch to the affiliate profile, you'll receive an email with a confirmation link. Step 5. Promote the affiliate link. Now listen up, if you learn this strategy, it can work for promoting any affiliate link. Here are 2 things to keep in mind. If you have followers on Facebook or any other platform, start there. You never know where people might be looking to buy. Don't be afraid to start small and grow your audience. The course Start or Reset Your YouTube Channel. Many of you ask me how to succeed on YouTube. So, I took the time to create a course that teaches you exactly that. The course is called Start or Reset Your YouTube Channel. Whether you're a new YouTuber in Nigeria or you're looking to revamp your existing channel, this course is for you.